Chanel Matthews, and this is Unfiltered. In today's digital world, news travels fast. Do you trust the news you see online?
Some form of news, then if they're coming from credible sources, of course, that can be trusted, such as your print media and your digital media that comes from credible newspaper sources that have been around for a while. But not all sources of the media or all information is accurate, so you have to get them from credible sources.
Put it like this, it's easier for people to run with or trust when the source is coming from somebody that they know is credible. So news is everywhere and everybody's online, but once it's coming from somebody that they know is trustworthy, then they can say yes. They can say yes.
It depends on the source. So especially we're in a time of AI now, you have to be careful. So I would say to anyone, when they're looking for news online, always think about the source. So places like JIS, PBCJ, even the private media, TVJ, CVM, always look for the source before you start to believe what you're hearing or seeing.
Not always, it depends on the source really and truly. So if it's like, regular social media content posters, I'm not sure if their information is factual. So I tend to go towards like reputable news sources like PBCJ, TVJ, CVM, so forth.
I don't trust any news I see online unless it's like a formidable or a proper source, because usually artificial intelligence actually plays a part in online news. Most days you're going to say, oh, this is happening in this area of the world, but nothing actually goes up because artificial intelligence is being used to say that happened. You see me? So I don't really trust news I see online at all.
It depends on where you get the information from. So for me personally, when it comes to information from the internet, it would be from some trusted sources. So say news outlets like CNN and so BBC, or from government institutions. So any website you see like .org or .edu, or say the abbreviation of a country, one of those.